Hello everyone, good evening. I hope everyone staying safe in home. Stay home, please be safe. Yes, why I'm here? I'm Lipsa from Odisha. I'm staying in Chennai and I have started a group name called Unique Speaks. Currently, this group having 125 members, but I want to grow this group. Why? My main motto is to identify people from a specific all over India, those who having unit art, unit passion to us doing, even it is the art, speaking, anything. I am a public speaker. I focusing in public speaking things, but I want to appreciate all of them who they have unique art. Yes, join with me, encourage them. If you find in road or in your village or somewhere any one is skilled with a particular topic, and also I will encouraging everyone, if you have a valuable topic to speak and you're speaking good, also share your views here. I am doing starting every month conducting several events. Start participating with this, you will feel very good and will expressive. I feel other region also many women's, many girls, even the boy, many things they are not able to express themselves, speak up themselves because of this. Many domestic violence, many things are happening in the world. I'm not talking about world, India. To start silence, express your depth, speak up yourself. That's why I created Unispeak. Share your relevant passion things here. Will appreciate you. Let know the people you are love to do this. Slowly it starts now. The flower is blooming, then your garden full of the roses. It's not like at a time all the trees are grooming with the rose. Small things matter. One drop of water matter a sea ocean, right? Start with a small good work. You will feel good. Yes. This is a request to everyone. If you're really happy, join this group. And I'm the starter. Support me and also appreciate your near dear surrounding where you feel this people is very much passionate about doing this. Share the videos, share the photos of them here. Definitely appreciate him and we will try to live interaction with them. Yes, I will do it. Yes. So this is has my main motto, and I want to young people should change their mindset towards everything. Be positive, don't be demotivated, and don't be depressed, don't be negative, adopt the negative things. That's why I started this. So join with me if you like this, and follow me in YouTube also, Facebook also, and Instagram also, and read. Is there any feedback, any suggestion? Welcome to all of you, and I'm really happy if you are with me. Thank you and bye bye from Unique Speaks Lipsa.